AI in retail. Use cases, benefits, and implementation. AI in retail is here. So gone are the days when technological advancements were confined to online platforms. Even brick-and-mortar stores are embracing AI for retail to enhance customer engagement and bridge the gap between digital and physical retail. Retailers are integrating AI-driven solutions such as augmented reality, AR mirrors, virtual try-ons, and metaverse-inspired experiences to create immersive in-store journeys. For instance, brands are deploying AR mirrors that allow customers to virtually try on clothing or makeup, enhancing personalization and reducing the need for physical samples. Additionally, the concept of phygital stores, where physical and digital elements converge, is gaining traction, offering shoppers interactive experiences that blend the convenience of online shopping with the tactile satisfaction of in-store browsing. 10 key benefits of AI in retail. Personalized experiences. AI tailors offers, recommendations, and shopping journeys for each customer. Smarter inventory. Predicts demand to keep shelves stocked without overbuying. Revenue boost. Adjusts prices in real time to maximize margins. Always-on service. Chatbots answer questions instantly, day or night. Frictionless checkout. AI-powered systems cut lines and speed payments. Sharper marketing. Targets ads better and personalizes campaigns. Loss prevention. Detects theft and suspicious activity automatically. Accurate forecasts. Predicts sales trends to reduce waste. Optimized displays. Analyzes store traffic to improve layouts. Lean operations. Automates routine work to save time and money. And AI is transforming retail, from warehouse robots to digital storefronts. The question isn't if, but how far it will go. For business owners, it's a tool for efficiency and ROI. Generative AI could add up to $390 billion in value, boosting margins and reimagining shopping. AI is personalizing experiences and driving efficiency with automation, smart cameras, and predictive inventory systems. While the wide range of AI in retail use cases might create the impression that your business needs all of them, that's not necessarily true. Which solutions do you actually need? Not all of them, and not always the most expensive ones. To decide which AI applications are feasible and valuable for your business right now, you first need to assess the current technological state of your operations. AI does not function in isolation. It requires a solid foundation of data from your business processes to deliver results. Because each company's operations and data maturity are different, the best AI use case will vary from one business to another. AI is reshaping every corner of retail, from supply chains to customer experiences. Ready to harness its power for your business? Let's get started.